What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Melody, and today's vlog was supposed to be like spend the day with me, but then I'm just not realizing it's almost full, and I pretty much just recorded my morning, and then after that I went to school, came back, and I watched Victorious with my sister for like 2 hours, if I'm not mistaken. And then we came back, and then I came upstairs. Yeah, and I just came back upstairs. I didn't do that much, but I was sitting here and I was like, I even set my goals for this semester yet. So I'm like, no way, I'm gonna do that right now. So new semester, new page. But yeah, so far that's what's up. That's what I've been wanting to do. So yeah, but anyway, good morning, you guys. So it's actually Wednesday the 11th today, and I wanted to finish yesterday's video, but then a lot ended up happening. I ended up finishing some assignments, and yeah, I never actually finished the whole video. So today I was like, you know what, I'm just going to like connect the vlog. Instead of it just being one day in my life, it's probably going to be like 2 days in my life. So I'm going to show you guys what I usually do on my a school week, what I usually do in a school week. So right now I'm just finishing up cleaning the house, and then after I'm going to take a shower, and then I'm just going to like vlog for you guys and show you what I usually do like during the school week, I guess. So yeah, for now I'm just going to finish cleaning the house, and I'm gonna catch you when I'm done. Hey guys, so I just finished taking a shower, and now I'm going somewhere with my sister. I don't know if I'm going to vlog where I'm going with her, but I'm going to try. So yeah, let's go. See you in the next clip. Hey guys, so I don't know if you can guess, but like my drink, my sister took me to Wingstop for lunch, and yeah, what can I say? Yeah, I'm still but anyways, I got mango habanero and Louisiana rub bought in, and my sister got Louisiana rub and lemon pepper boneless because she had a tip done not too long ago, so she really can't eat bones. Anyways, I'll keep you updated when my food is here. So yeah, so our food just got here, and I got this fries. I still got those fries, and that's her food. I think that's lemon pepper, and that's Louisiana rub, and those are mine, Louisiana rub and mango habanero right there, and ranch. And I'm drinking a Sprite berry, and she's drinking a peach lemonade. Yeah. guys, so we drove to the lake close by to my place and stuff, and we're at the lake right now. I just remember the first time we came down here. But I'm not going to tell you the story. But we're at the lake right now. Yeah, it's really quiet, really calming. It's really demure. You feel me? It's cutesy. But I'll probably vlog a little bit more when I'm on my way back home. But yeah, I'm at the lake right now. Bye. This is really relaxing in many different ways. Like, you know, you can just meditate here, do your little devotions here. The waves, it's just beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's not clean water, but like just the sound of the waves, the silence. It's somewhere I feel like I would come almost like every morning. Let me show you my sister. You see him? I'm gonna say it. I can't even take it. I was trying to say something inspiring, but then I said this fool. This is the vibe right now. So yeah, really cool, really nice. Okay, I'll catch you when I get home. I just need a few minutes to myself. Bye. Hey guys. So I just got back home. Oh, I got my mom flowers. I will insert a clip right here. Yeah, I got my mom flowers, and then I came up to my room because I have some assignments I have to finish up real quick. And then around 3ish or 4, I have to go downstairs, cook something. Cause I'm the one on the duty today. My sister saying she ain't gonna cook, and that made me mad a little bit. Anyways, she cooked yesterday. Huh. You know. But anywho, I'm about to go downstairs. Oh no, I'm about to start doing my assignments. And after, I'm probably going to take you guys, when I start cooking, I'm probably going to take you downstairs with me. I don't know what I'm cooking yet, but yeah. Hey guys, so looks like my laptop might be dead. Actually, it's not the laptop. I just don't know where my backup charger is at. So I'll have to look for that, but it's already too late for me to even sit down and start doing my assignments. I have to go downstairs and start cooking. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, and yeah, that's about it. There's really nothing interesting. Hey guys, so I had to restart this thing because I don't know what it's doing, to be honest with you. Like, I'm typing something, but it's not doing anything that I'm typing. It's not like typing it's not like writing down what I'm typing, you know. Yeah. And also, I don't have a charger for it, so I had to go ask my sister for a charger. I don't know if that's also a problem or it's just me. I don't know at this point, but I really want to get this assignment done. Yeah. Wish me luck. good, you guys? Hey, so it's now 10:20. I started doing my assignments like around 7 something, I forgot. But yeah, I done with my major assignments, the one that were due. The earliest is next week, but I always do like my assignments ahead of time. So I'm pretty much done with my assignments, and yeah, just want to start getting ready and go to bed. But I just wanted to say thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join the family, you know. And don't forget to comment down below like what type of content you all want to watch, you know, because I really don't know what I'll be posting 99% of the time. I'm not gonna lie, like I just post random things and I'm like, I did that, you know, you feel me? But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. Bye, good night.